Good morning everybody, my name is Shari. I am a dive master, marine biologist in training and also the new Doodive ambassador. And today with the Doodive team we are here in Amed, Bali. It is a tiny town located in the east of Bali, and today we're here to visit and rate a dive center in the area. The dive center for today is called Amed Buddha Diving, and we're gonna go and see what a day of diving looks like with them and then give you a final rating at the very end of the video. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can see all of our diving adventures that are still to come. And I think without any more talking, let's get to the dive shop. Okay you guys, we made it to shore. We are here in between these traditional fisher boats because these are the boats that we're going to take today to get to our first dive site. I'm really excited to try out these boats. I've never done that before. The first dive site is called Pyramids because on the dive site you have pyramid structures, kind of like an underwater museum, I would say. I'm pretty excited to check it out, and I think let's get on one of these weird wooden boats and see what they're like. Let's go. Alright everybody, we just came up from dive number 1 at Pyramid dive site. It was pretty fun driving out with these traditional boats all the way to the dive site. It was nice to see kind of like the traditional way of doing things, if you want to see it that way. But yeah, the dive was really nice. We saw about 10 of these pyramid structures down there, and they kind of formed like an artificial reef. They were covered in coral and had lots of fish around them. Other than the pyramids, there was not really much to see. It was a sandy bottom area. But still a nice dive, good conditions, good viz, and it was warm, which was nice. Now we're here at the beach enjoying our surface interval, having some coffee and waiting for dive number 2. And I think I'll leave you with that, and I see you at the second dive. Okay everyone, I'm giving you the quickest debrief ever now. From inside the car, we had to rush back to the dive shop because after this, we're going to our next destination. Anyway, quick debrief for the second dive. The dive site was called Bunutan and it was a little bit of a drift dive. It was a nice dive. I think the highlight was a big leopard moray eel that was really swimming over the reef like that. It was amazing to see that. And we also saw some nice coral and some other fish. It was a nice dive, But without any more talking, I have to go change now so that we can travel to the next destination. I see you for the debrief at the end of the video.
Thank you so much for today. Hope you liked it. Okay, that's it. Bye.
Okay, as promised, giving you the whole evaluation of our day of diving today. From the car this time, I hope you don't mind that we are rushing to our next destination. But anyway, so today we went diving with Amed Buddha Diving, and we did 2 dives today. The first one was called Pyramids. It was a sandy bottom area and had pyramid structures on the dive site. The most special thing that we saw there were a lot of blue-spotted stingrays, and at the end of the dive we also saw a hawksbill sea turtle, which was really nice to see. Then the second dive was called Bunutan, and it was a little bit of a drift dive. It was a really slow drift, and the coolest thing that we saw on this dive was a big leopard moray eel. We also saw a paperfish and we saw a stonefish as well. We saw a bunch of other things, but these were the most special ones. And we also went diving for the first time with the traditional Balinese boats. It was a great experience doing that, very different, but really nice for sure. What was special about Amed Buddha Diving also was their manager. He was really nice and had a great energy about him, and the whole atmosphere throughout the day was really nice. But check out the final rating at the very end of the video so that you can see the whole evaluation. And also make sure you download the DOOFILTER application. It gives you color correction for your underwater photos, and very soon there's going to be color correction for your underwater videos as well. So make sure you check that out. It is completely free of charge and you can try it out right now, which I think is pretty cool. Also, subscribe to the Doodive YouTube channel so that you can follow us on all of our diving adventures that are still to come, and also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. And I think that's it from me today. We are rushing to our next diving destination now, and I think I see you in the next video. Bye bye!